Can you sense the mood here tonight with the moon in the treetops? And you can hear the chirping of the crickets and the frogs. It's kind of eerie. I think I'm going to go back inside here where I can show you a little bit more about Tom Sawyer Lesson 5. I hope you've enjoyed the book so far. And in this lesson, I want to give you a few tips. As you know from the lesson, mood is how an author changes the feel of the story. In this case, the graveyard scene. Mark Twain does a masterful job of changing the mood to make it kind of creepy and spooky. For example, here's one, a faint wind moaned through the trees. That appeals to the sense of hearing and makes you feel a little bit creepy, but there's so many more in this chapter. I know you won't have any trouble finding them. Foreshadowing might be a little trickier, and so I wanted to give you a few tips on that. As you know from reading the lesson, foreshadowing is when an author, like Mark Twain, drops clues about what might happen in the future of the story. So here's some page numbers that one student has written down where they have found instances of foreshadowing. So I know that's going to help you find some of these examples. The student has also marked the pages where they found examples of humor. Now obviously the humor in those days was different from now, but it still is kind of funny. And then the very last part of the assignment was making a prediction. What do you think is going to happen based upon what you have read in the graveyard scene? I hope this has helped.